Alright. Diff's out. Got him. Could be a little hard to weld this LSD. Barely get me welder in them little holes. I have to pull it apart, I reckon, boys. Let's have a little looky. Alright guys, not gonna lie, that was a mission. Took a bit longer because it was the LSD. I haven't welded a LSD diff before, but yeah. Now all we gotta do is go test her out. It's welded good. Alright guys, we're going fishing in the Rodeo. Gotta load her up. Where are we going fishing, mate? So? Yeah. Damn! Let's make sure. All legal.
Oh, I went. Oh, we're going. Ready?
Yes. Oh, yeah, we're right. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we haven't made it real far. It's not starting the best. I think the starter motor's gone on it. Sometimes you hit it with a hammer, it goes. We wanted to give it a test before we left here, and then we could clutch it down the driveway again, but we failed. So we're just gonna see. Don't really want to go fishing and then be stuck there and not be able to start her up. You all connected? I got a hammer here. Man, I didn't get real far. you almost started to go. Alright, we had to get saved by a Deo. So the Deo's back. Got no brake cleaner, just using a bit of fuel here. Pretty keen to go fishing, so try and pull it apart. You don't want to be down the zone and it doesn't start. Brush is all cracked. A bit of water in there. We made it, guys. It's getting dark. Got to the spot. Got the starter, put some bit of gear down. Had a little flick. Deo did us good, eh?
Made it.
It's a bit sooty, eh?
Yeah.
Time to get out of here, boys. Gotta put our headlights on. Gotta open this somehow. Forget where it goes.
Yeah, I know. Here.
Oh yeah. Otherwise you put it in. No lights?
I like that. Try them on.
I'll see if it works now.
Couple. Oh, what happened?
Nothing?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hit high there. That high there.
That's all right. Oh, we got,
Nothing, I suppose.
what do we got? Oh yeah, we got one. This one might be.
Is that high there?
Yeah, I think so. Oh man, she got some wiring problems. Are you flashing them on and off? Righto, we got one good bite.